Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. MS Word text box. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Microsoft Word text box. So the Microsoft Word text box, to find it, first of all, you need to open up your Microsoft. Once you open up your Microsoft, click on Insert. After clicking on Insert, in here you will see a text box. On the right side, you will see text. You will see a text box. Just click on text box, and here are all the available options, or here are all the text box you can choose from. So as you can see, we just choose any of this. So right now we're going to choose this one, binded sidebar. And there you go. You can see this is the binded sidebar text box. Got anything? Try put in a word, the favorite word, guide glimpse. There you go. And let's add the sidebar title, guide glimpse. There you go. So yeah, that's how you add a sidebar, and that's how you write in a sidebar. Another thing, when you click on sidebar, and we're gonna remove that. To delete that, a quick tip for you guys to delete the sidebar, just click on it and click on delete. There you go. And another thing, just click on insert. Then here you'll see you can not only choose here, but you can also choose from more text box from office.com. You see right here, many more text box, and that's not all. You can also draw text box. What do you mean by that? So you can just left click, then drag down. And if you want to make like a perfect square, I've taught this in the video on my previous video in shapes, how to make a perfect square. So to make a perfect square, I'm gonna teach you it here also. This video. It's another additional tip for you guys. Just hold the shift key. As you see, when you hold the shift key, then move it. There you go. It becomes a perfect square wherever you do. Like if I do that, do this, do that, do that. But if you remove the shift, if you do that, it will not be a perfect square. Then there we go. Then add words there, any words that you want, and you can also add lines, fix the position of the page, and so on and so forth. And there we can also add text wrap, size, position, any of those you want.
And not just that, you can also change the format of the text box. So let's try this. So draw it like that. As you can see, now we're here. Now we can change each format. So as you can see, you can change it to here, shape styles, all the shape styles, and also the letters or the wording. So let's try guide glimpse. There you go. So you can also change the color of the wording. So right there. There you go. There. Not only that, you can do the text files, text outline, text effect as well. You can put shadow, reflection, glow, reveal, 3D rotation, and transformation. Not only that, you can text detection. So let's try it like that. You can see it's horizontal. Put it back to horizontal. I mean vertical. As you see right there. You can also align text. And if you have a link, just create a link inside the text box. So there. Now you can also draw or add shapes on your text box right there, and you can also wrap text. As you can do all of this inside your text box right here, like when you're formatting your words. So there you go, guys. And there, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to help you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.